Enable access control on simple HTTP server. I have the following shell script for a very simple HTTP server. I was wondering how I can enable or add a CRS header like access control allow origin column to this server.
Unfortunately, the simple HTTP server is really that simple that it does not allow any customization, especially not for the headers it sends. You can however create a simple HTTP server yourself, using most of Simplet request handler, and just add that desired header. For that, simply create a file simplecrs httpserver.py, or whatever, and, depending on the Python version you are using, put one of the following codes inside. Then you can do python simplecrs httpserver.py and it will launch your modified server, which will set the CRS header for every response. With the shebang at the top, make the file executable and put it into your path, and you can just run it using simplecrs httpserver.py 2. Python 3 solution. Python 3 uses Simplet request handler and server from the http.server module to run the server. Python 2 solution. Python 2 uses simplehttpserver.simplet request handler and the base server module to run the server. Python 2 and 3 solution. If you need compatibility for both Python 3 and Python 2, you could use this polyglot script that works in both versions. It first tries to import from the Python 3 locations, and otherwise falls back to Python 2.
Try an alternative like HTTP server. As simplehttpserver is not really the kind of server you deploy to production, I'm assuming here that you don't care that much about which tool you use, as long as it does the job of exposing your files at http://localhost:3000 with CORS headers in a simple command line. Need HTTPS. If you need HTTPS in local, you can also try Caddy or Certbot. Edit 2022, my favorite solution, is now Serve, used internally by Next.js. Just run npx serve CORS. Some related tools you might find useful. Grok. When running Grok HTTP 3000, it creates an URL https://$random.grok.com that permits anyone to access your http://localhost:3000 server. It can expose to the world what runs locally on your computer, including local backend/APIs. Local tunnel, almost the same as in Grok. Now, when running now, it uploads your static assets online and deploy them to https://$random.sh. They remain online forever unless you decide otherwise. Deployment is fast, except the first one, thanks to diffing. Now is suitable for production front-end/Spark, Code Deployment can also deploy Docker and Node.js apps. It is not really free, but they have a free plan.
I had the same problem and came to this solution. I simply created a new class inheriting from Simplest request handler that only changes the send_response method.
Try this URL. Support curs. Go to your folder and run live it. That's all. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.